Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Corvette in need for speed heat. First, you'll need to focus on increasing your reputation level. Reaching rep level 20 is crucial, as this is when the Corvette Grand Sport becomes available for purchase in the game. Participate in night events and challenges to earn reputation quickly and efficiently. Building your rep is the foundation for unlocking many high-performance vehicles, including this iconic car. Once you've reached the necessary reputation level, your next step is to progress through the main story missions. Certain story arcs and challenges are designed to unlock different tiers of vehicles and parts. Make sure to complete these missions as they become available, as they often gate access to higher performance cars like the Corvette. Keep an eye on your map for new mission markers. With your reputation high enough and relevant story missions completed, head over to any dealership in Palm City. You'll find the Corvette Grand Sport listed among the available vehicles. Be prepared to spend around $91,000 of in-game currency to make it yours. Ensure you have enough cash saved up from winning races and completing challenges before you visit the dealer. Congratulations, you now own the Corvette Grand Sport. The real fun begins with customization. Take your new ride to the garage to upgrade its performance parts, enhancing its engine, chassis, and drivetrain. Don't forget to personalize its appearance with a fresh paint job, unique decals, and various body kits. Make it truly yours and get ready to dominate the streets of Palm City, day or night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.